DSpace Model Compare. Enhanced visualization for user-specific blocks. Have you ever compared models with user-specific blocks, but your comparison tool did not display the information you expected? For example, properties are displayed without any structure, and the names did not match those in the block dialogues, making it difficult for you to find the corresponding entries. Internal differences came up that are not relevant to you. With DSpace Model Compare, you can customize the visualization according to your individual needs. For example, rename properties so that you can identify them easily. Group properties and categories that better represent the graphical user interface of your block. Hide irrelevant properties, blocks, or even complete subsystems to define a suitable focus. For even more possibilities or dedicated assistance from our engineering team, please contact us or send us an email. Model Compare from DSpace, your solution for model-based development.
DSpace, your partner in simulation and validation.